Hi everyone, I hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. I'm just going to dive into Cardano. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big up the CoinsKid crew. Thank you for liking this video. Thank you for your subscription, and thank you for being a part of the CoinsKid community there. Okay, if you're not involved in any communities, all the links are on CoinsKid.com. Okay, take advantage of all the communities that we offer. We've got a fantastic Patreon, fantastic Discord server, where there's loads of technical analysis and trades and everything like that and goodies. So yeah, and definitely do head over to Twitter and get involved as well. So you can see Cardano didn't hang around, did it? You know, yesterday it's absolutely broken out here. We were saying just here, you got this beautiful W bottom pattern just there on the 4-hourly time frame just there, and said that potentially you're breaking it. You did have a little comeback, a little throwback here into the pattern, but you still can retain this level of support just there, and with that you actually just melted. You've broken out, look, boom. And like I said to you, that Cardano, it doesn't hang around for too long when it starts to break out. So right now you're broken out of a large W bottom. You've already met this technical target here of 205, I think it was, just there, 203, I do apologise. And with that, you're breaking out that W bottom and that ascending triangle level resistance at $2 and that gives you a technical target of $2.19. And you can see that you're sort of marching towards there, you know. So from that break right there, like I said to you, that's a lovely upside of around about 10%. I think you're currently up around about 8% on that particular break, so it's looking really, really good. You know, are we out the woods yet? Is the correction over? Potentially, you know, this is a really good sign. One of the main things I do want to see for Cardano here and on any project is get back above these EMAs, and you can see literally this is where you're finding resistance at the moment on the daily 55. Now what you want to see, get back above that, start to roll back and back test and turn a support. That could be a fantastic entry moving forward. That could be the correction over, and right at that point you start to hold it and back test it support, because you can see here, you know, when you're losing it, you're coming down, you're hitting your head, aren't you? And you keep doing that, and what happens is you form a base, basically a beautiful reversal pattern. To be honest with you, we thought we had one just here, didn't we? But this was basically a continuation pattern. It was a horizontal, if anything. We was looking for a beautiful double bottom and ascending triangle, and hopefully right now you can see we've got that just here and we're breaking out. So if we can get back above DMAs, back test and turn them into support and start to drag this yellow line, which is 20 EMA, over the red line, which is the 55 EMA, that creates a buy and go to the beach signal. Get a bit overextended, come back and hold it as support. There's your confirmation that you flip bullish, basically. Like here, you come down, you're dragging the EMAs, you're hitting your head, you bottom out, you come up. What happens? You come over, you back test and fall into support, boom, of a buy and go to the beach, and you're off. And you put that huge impulsive wave to the upside just there, because your impulsive wave to the upside just here for Cardano, providing it can go on right now from here, you know, and continue with this breakout that it's finding itself doing, you're looking at $4.31 minimal in this next upside for Cardano. Once it breaks this high at 309, that could offer a fantastic long op on Cardano of around about 38% moving forward. And you can see at that point you're getting to that fib, aren't you? What is that? That's the 1272, isn't it, on the weekly? Let's have a look at what that is. That's the 1272 at $4.23 on the weekly, and then you've got these overextensions here on the fibs as well in this bull market, and with that you're starting to go parabolic like you did here. When you come back, you retrace and you start to break out. Okay, so watch this space. Cardano, it's looking really, really good. The whole market is, to be honest with you, it is looking relatively healthy, isn't it? You know, but do expect you're starting to take off a little bit here. You start to take off into space. If we can break through that daily 55, okay, and come up and meet the 219, that could be a technical target met, and with that you could be looking at a sort of slight little retracement, come back to a key level support, hold the 55 EMA, golden entry point for a nice juicy long to the upside, and start to put in these impulsive breaks to the upside and retrace to each point of contact where we fell down, basically, and work our way back through the Fibonacci's here, because that's what you're doing. You're retracing, okay, you're retracing to these levels of resistance to test them and break through them, you know, because full transparency here, you do have things called dead cat bounces. So right now, basically, let me get rid of this large fib just here, okay. So basically what you're doing, you've come down, okay, and you're retracing to this high. So with dead cat bounces, you can come all the way down, come all the way up, and usually this particular level here, the 050, is synonymous with a dead cat bounce. So you put in basically a high, a low, a lower high, and then you roll. And if you lose this low, that's your dead cat bounce, and that's an impulsive wave to the downside. And like I said to you, moves in waveforms like that. So we've got a lot of resistance above us to break to confirm the impulsive break. Do you understand that? So you've got to come up, hold, come up, hold, come up, hold, come up, hold, and then break that high. You're looking at a beautiful impulsive break to the upside, and you've come up, found support, potentially on that swing high just there. Look, boom. If I zoom out like that, you can see it better. So you've come up, you've landed on that, and then on. You can kind of see you got a bit overextended there. That's that parabola, isn't it, in May? So that's where you should have been, just there, because it's your swing high to swing low. Look like this, boom, 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 like that, boom. See you later, alligator. So it's Cardano. It's doing relatively well for continuation, providing you can break out here and hold these EMAs as support on the daily. Take care, everyone. Back soon with another update on Cardano. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Bye bye.